3 blades for a close, comfortable shave. Textured handle and pivoting head for added control. Lubricating strip with aloe and vitamin E provides a smooth glide. Disposable razors slip easily into a gym bag or travel kit. Contains 10 disposable razors. Enjoy close, comfortable shave with the BIC Comfort 3 Advanced Men's Disposable Razor. Featuring 3 blades, this convenient disposable razor leaves your skin feeling smooth and comfortable. The textured handle and pivoting head offer added control, while the lubricating strip enriched with aloe and vitamin E enhances the glide of the razor. Top reviews from the United States. Passes the Blade of the Month test. Many of us gents have different standards when it comes to grooming. If you're looking for the perfect clean shave every day, this will probably pass muster at least one use. I don't have that heavy a beard, so I shave a few times a week and try to make a razor last a month. I suggest you give these a try.